Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading In the Blue by Erin Hourigan. Please enjoy. In the Blue. My dad is as tall as the sky, and I'm his teeny tiny sunspot. Even when storm clouds rumble, he tells me that together we can do anything, and we do. In the morning, my dad fills my room with songs as bright as the sunrise. At night, he tucks me in with kisses that reach up to the stars. But right now, things for my dad aren't bright and yellow. They are a deep, dark blue. He kisses. His kisses don't reach as far as night, and the morning is quiet and dim. Quiet and dim. I try making him snacks and drawing him pictures for a second. The sun peeks through the clouds. He's become my best friend in the last 2 weeks. It's been unbelievable. He is dialed in. I told him, he was pacing up and down the dugout. I said, Andy, you're not picturing this. The next day I tried singing him songs and telling him stories, but his face is a dark storm. Leave me be, he roars, and the blue comes out. I scream, I rip, throw, hit and kick. My dad stays a frozen, icy blue. I'm afraid the other colors are gone. And I don't know what a teeny tiny sunspot can do. So I whisper, I love you, and we all wait together in the blue. When he's ready, my dad visits people who helped him. I go too. We talk with someone who knows all the colors, from sunny to midnight. Soon, the blue grows lighter until one night,
My dad kisses climb all the way back up in the stars. After a while, he is bright and yellow again. But the blue still comes back, sometimes in little drops, and sometimes in big, crashing waves. I know it won't ever completely go away, because whatever color comes our way, he'll always be my dad, as tall as the sky. I'll always be his teeny tiny sunspot. And together we can do anything. Well, wasn't that a cute story? The little girl's father was going through some trouble there, and then he snapped out of it. How many of your parents have had the same problem, went through trouble like that? Let me know with a thumbs up if your parents have had trouble sometimes like that. Just curious. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and check out my other readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody. And thanks for watching out there.